Cybersecurity is a field that's constantly evolving, and there are plenty of opportunities if you're interested in protecting data and networks. This is University of Phoenix Presents The Framework. In this video, we'll cover 6 cybersecurity roles, 3 that may be entry-level, and 3 that may be senior positions. This list won't be exhaustive, but we'll highlight a few key roles that give you a sense of what the industry has to offer. Information Security Specialist. As an information security specialist, you'll be responsible for creating and enacting security measures to protect a company's computer networks and systems. It's about making sure everything stays safe from cyber threats. Computer Security Analyst. A computer security analyst focuses on protecting networks and systems from cyber threats and responding to incidents. If you're someone who enjoys troubleshooting and resolving security issues in real time, this could be a good fit. IT Specialist. IT specialists maintain and repair computer networks. While your main job is keeping everything running, you also need to ensure the system stays secure. If you're detail-oriented and enjoy working with technology, this could be a solid career path. Network Security Analyst. At this level, you'd work to protect a company's network from cyber threats. A network security analyst plays a key role in preventing attacks, using advanced tools and strategies to safeguard the network. Security Analyst. Security analysts review security systems to identify weaknesses and address them. You'd be working on assessing threats, improving security measures, and fixing vulnerabilities before they turn into bigger problems. Information Security Officer. As an information security officer, you'll develop risk management plans, monitor networks, and ensure the company's data stays protected. You'd oversee security protocols and make strategic decisions about how to defend IT systems. Cybersecurity offers a wide range of career paths, whether you're just starting out or already have experience. From defending systems as an IT specialist to leading security strategies as information security officer, the field offers roles that can suit a variety of interests and skills. If you're interested in exploring programs that may help you develop the skills for these roles, check out University of Phoenix. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content related to careers, skills, and education. Thanks for watching.